Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering the phone off and removing the case and any cards. This prevents short circuits. Once done, place the device screen up on a soft cloth and attach an anti-static strap if available. Use 90% isopropyl on a microfiber cloth to test clean a small corner. This checks whether grime or oil is causing rainbowing. Next, try a gentle wipe pattern from center to edge. You're looking to remove surface residue, so you can tell if the issue is internal or just on the screen. You now inspect for screen protectors or trapped air. Lift a corner with a plastic pry tool and reseat the protector to eliminate rainbow patterns caused by microgaps. If no protector, warm the screen briefly with a hair dryer at low distance to soften adhesives. Keep it around 40 to 45 degrees Celsius for 30 to 60 seconds. Once warm, use a soft pad to smooth from center toward edges. This can reattach delaminated layers and reduce internal light scattering that causes the rainbow effect. Finish by reassembling any removed parts and testing the display across different brightness and viewing angles. This confirms whether the rainbow persists under varied conditions. Make sure screws are finger-tight and the frame sits flush to avoid introducing stress. If you still see rainbowing after cleaning, heating, and pressing, the issue is likely delamination or polarized layer damage. Replace the screen or have a professional reseal the assembly. One tip: document changes with photos so a technician can diagnose faster if you escalate.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.